In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your site from a backup in Siteground. Now, restoring a website can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step so you can get your site back up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Siteground website, open your preferred web browser, and go to the Siteground homepage. Siteground is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned webmasters alike. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is usually situated in the upper right corner of the page, making it easy to access. After you've clicked on Login, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you haven't already set those up, be sure to create an account. But since we're here to recover, we're assuming you have all that information ready. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Siteground account dashboard. This is where you have an overview of all your sites and services. Next, move over to the section labeled My Siteground Account. This is where all of your site management tools are conveniently gathered. From here, locate and click on Site Tools. This option gives you access to detailed settings for managing your individual site. You'll see a range of tools at your disposal, but today we're focused on recovering your site. Within the Site Tools menu, you'll want to look for Security and click on it. Security is crucial, especially when performing site restorations. Once you've clicked on the Security tab, you'll see an array of options. Look for Backups and select it. Siteground automatically creates backups at regular intervals, which are crucial for restoring your site to a previous state. Now, within the backup section, there will be a menu icon represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you will find essential actions for managing your backups. The option we need from this menu is Restore Databases. Click on that. The database is a vital part of your site that stores all your data, so by restoring it, you are essentially bringing back your site to its previous condition. Once you initiate the restore, Siteground will handle the rest. The process may take a little time, depending on the size of your site's database, so be patient. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully restored your site from a backup. Remember, regularly backing up your site is important to protect your data and ensure quick recovery from any unforeseen site issues. Thanks to Siteground's user-friendly interface, managing these tasks is straightforward. Don't hesitate to explore more of their features to keep your online presence safe and sound. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and your site is now back up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.